Today we believe, or this announcement, is a transformative event in the software as a service industry. The coming together of what we believe to be the two most strategic players in this industry, two leaders with a shared vision and values that are coming together with a product announcement that we believe will really cause the industry and our customers to rethink what is possible with the idea of cloud computing and where the industry is going. Before I begin, I'd like to, of course, refer to our safe harbor statement. Salesforce.com is a publicly traded company, and as such, we have this safe harbor statement available on our website for any of you that would like to understand better the policies around that. So Salesforce.com and Google, two companies with a shared vision. A shared vision around what we call the end of software. And this is an incredibly important alliance between these two companies. On Monday in San Francisco, we had Mark Benioff, our Chief Executive Officer and Chairman, and Eric Schmidt, the CEO of Google, getting together on stage to announce this to the world, which I believe signifies how important and strategic this is to both of our companies. This idea of the end of software is the idea that companies can leverage the power of the internet to run their business with the same ease of use and point-and-click access that we as consumers have come to expect in our consumer lives on the internet. And this vision has taken form in some shared characteristics. For instance, we are both Salesforce.com and Google, are built on the idea of a multi-tenant platform. The idea that instead of each individual or company having to install their own hardware and software and maintain it and upgrade it and patch it, that by having a shared infrastructure, a shared utility managed by a central provider, such as Salesforce.com or Google, that companies are now freed to focus on what they are best at, their core business, while allowing the experts in the cloud to manage all of the infrastructure and the upgrades and the maintenance. We've also established a new way of thinking in terms of the business model. So if I just talked about a new technology model of a multi-tenant platform, there's also a new business model that comes with this, the idea of subscription services. The idea that instead of companies having to take on massive risk up front with significant capital investments, where the company is responsible for all of the risk, that instead, through a subscription pricing model, the vendor is now a co-equal share in that risk, and that companies like Salesforce.com and Google are only successful if companies and our customers are successful. And we think this represents a much fairer and better model for both our customers and ultimately for us, because it forces us to deliver much more value and earn our customers' business every day. And then finally, we realize that in the internet era, it is not about doing everything yourself. It is about having trusted partners and an ecosystem that can advance the power of your vision. And so our vision is that by working together, these two companies can dramatically accelerate the industry. We believe that today we are announcing the joining of two leading technologies, two leading companies to accelerate the industry, and two leading platforms. And it is along these three dimensions, technology, company, and platform, that we can transform this industry.